Hi, Mon. Follow up lang dun sa question ni Ervin tungkol
Yes.
kay Richard. Ano yung mga gusto mong tanong sa kanya?
For Chard, ano pa bang hindi natatanong sa kanya? I'm very proud of him. He hasn't stopped working and hindi madali yung mga shows na ginagawa ni Chard. So, ako very proud ako as a twin brother sa lahat ng achievements na nagawa niya. Alam ko nag-end yung show niya recently, but
No, not yet, Mon. Huwag mong agaan.
okay, sorry.
So, in short ako, baka hindi na manood, oo, the next week Friday, oo. Tapos sa Netflix magsisimula yung finale week sa Friday. Yan. So,
Ito
huwag
yung
mong
tamang
i-advance.
schedule. Pero, yun, I think si Chard kasi parang ako din yan eh. Gusto rin niya maging involved creatively sa production. So, marami rin siyang mga naitutulong in terms of storyline. So, alam ko very passionate siya about his projects. And alam ko he's gonna start a new project soon. So, I'm very excited for him.
Tapos, Mon, si Ate Rupa mo, gusto mo rin ma-interview?
Of course, si ate laging masaya kausap yan eh. Lahat ng chika alam, lahat ng from politics to sports to showbiz to fashion, maraming nako-cover si ate. Talagang she's a wealth of information dahil number one sa chika yan si ate.
Si Tita Ana Benedito Eddie.
I think my mom is now more of a watcher. So, her and my dad really enjoy watching Agenda. As in, ito yung lagi pinapanood nila gabi-gabi. Lalo na nung nag-join ako, talagang nakatutok sila palagi. So, very proud sila sa akin and I'm very thankful for their support.
Thank you, Mon.
Thank you.
Yeah, actually, nung first, nanonood si Tita Annabelle, inahanap niya yung pala lumang, the day before pa pala hindi yung live. Kasi sa YouTube siya nanonood di ba? Oo. Pero ngayong hapon, dapat nandito siya to support Raymond sa contract signing, pero inawat siya ng ibang mga anak niya kasi kukulitin niyo lang daw si Tita Annabelle at i-interview niya siya, aagawan pa raw niya ng eksena si Raymond. So ayaw niya, kailangan daw ang limelight is for Raymond. Di ba? Oo. Pero hindi ako, piling ko natakot siyang may mga hardbat sa kanya. Okay? Pero yan, siyempre, nandito pa rin, kasama natin. Actually, umalma siya kanina nang introduce ko si Don bilang Reyna ng Abante Online. Oo. Kasi siya ang Reyna pag weekend. Roldan Castro.
Akala ko ligtas na ako eh. Ewan ko. Mon,
Yes.
anong reaction mo na ayaw mang-agaw ni Tita Annabelle na eksena kaya wala siya dito?
Si Mami naman, she's always the star wherever she goes. So, I think today it was just her rest day with my dad. So, yun, okay naman. I feel their support. And talagang sila yung number one na nag-encourage sa akin. So, very proud sila. They call me right after the show. Alam nilang live, so nanonood sila palagi. So, I feel that encouragement and as a son, yun lang yung wish ko, di ba, na yung parents mo proud sa'yo. So, I'm very happy.
Tapos may pinapatanong si Binya Bibar. May update daw ba sa sakit ni Tito Eddie?
Actually, I'm very, very happy to say that my dad is really improved when it comes to his health. I think that trip to Singapore early this year, yung time na na-spend namin doon, siguro mga almost close to 2 months, pabalik-balik kami sa Singapore. Malaki talaga na idulot sa health ni Dad. So we're very thankful sa mga doctors na tumulong sa amin doon, the Filipino nurses, lahat ng tumulong sa amin. So very grateful kami doon sa experience na yun because if you see my dad now very lively, he's back in his old self.
Babalik pa mo sa Singapore? Hindi na.
I think for check-up na lang. I think for routine check-up, importante yun. So wala pang naka-schedule pero yun yung advice sa amin.
Okay. Tapos sa dami ng mga friends mo sa showbiz na pwede rin mag-host, meron ka bang pinabalak na gusto mong dalhin dito sa Billionario?
Actually, marami akong gustong i-invite. Naka-line up na yung mga yan. So, I want to have pasabog interviews all the time. So, watch out na lang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lahat sila, kukulitin ko.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Actually, Mon, yun, during Barbie and Richard's interview last Monday, pinuri-puri ka nila, pinapanood ka raw nila dito sa Agenda. Actually, nagpa-interview sila for Agenda. I think they're gonna show it later yata. Yun, pinapuri ka nila and bagay ka talaga sa Agenda. What can you say? Na talagang very supportive. Kahit maingay si Binya Vivar, very supportive sa si Richard.
Ako very thankful ako sa support ng family ko because I think growing up in this industry, a lot of us, minsan iba-ibang network, iba-ibang shows, pero hindi ko na feel na we're rivals or it's competition. Lagi kaming supportive, lagi kaming one as a unit, talagang very proud sila sa akin. So napipil ko naman palagi.
One thing, actually, yung pinapatanong ni Binya kulang. Kasi ang gusto niya talaga yung patanong, during the interview of Richard and Barbie for the finale week of Blood versus Beauty, pinuri ka talaga, na-touch sila, the way na puri-puriin ka ni Richard na ikaw talaga, even sila Rupa naman, your mom, na ikaw talaga tumutok ka nung pagpapagamot ng dad mo sa Singapore. Ikaw talaga yung namahala. Di ba, Binya? Tama, no?
Tama, oo.
Yeah, binanggit niya sa interview yun. Actually, naiyak si Binya Vivar.
I think yung time kasi na yun, my siblings were also busy doing certain projects. So, ako talaga clear ko yung schedule ko. Actually, hindi ako pumunta ng Paris ng time na yun. To go with my parents to Singapore. So I was there for 2 weeks and then we came back to Manila and then went back to Singapore. So I think for me, it's my duty as a son to take care of my parents the way they've taken care of me. So for me, it's about allotting time and effort. And ako yung kumakausap sa mga doctors. Syempre, minsan may language barrier. So it's important for me to be there, to be present, and to really help them every step of the way. Kasi hindi na naging madali for my parents yung trip na yon. Kasi hindi namin alam yung pinapasok namin eh. Hindi namin alam kung ano yung magiging resulta. Hindi namin alam kung gaano kami katagal magsistay sa Singapore, kung overnight lang ba, kung 1 week, 2 weeks. So talagang important for us na merong representative na isa sa amin nandun with them. And so yun, so it's very important din for me to do my job as a son.
Mon, speaking, you mentioned Singapore. Let's tell them na rin kasi nung nasa Singapore yung pamilya, syempre lalo na nung time ng ng kanilang reality show, yung It Takes Guts to Be a Good Chess, maraming mga nagugulat, even the doctors, the nurses, Binya, nagugulat kasi may mga foreigners, no, lalo na mga Indonesians, mga Malaysians, talaga nagpapapicture pa rin sa kanila, natatandaan, di ba? Can you tell us about that, Mon?
I think malaking bagay din yung nagawa ng It Takes Guts. We were there for 6 seasons and we were airing in 26 countries around Asia. So malaking bagay din yun for us in widening our audience. And yun, until now, marami pa rin people sa Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia who go up to me and say, "Oh my God, I watched your show. I grew up watching your show." So nakakatawa because hindi lang mga Pinoy ang nakakaalam ng kwento namin, kundi other certain parts of the world. So nag-enjoy din ako pag may nagsasabi sa akin.
Yeah. Thank you. At syempre, we'll entertain 2 more questions. Sinong, Doon, kawawa naman yung mga mga vloggers. Ang vloggers natin, James Miguel.
Nakikita daw si Binya.
Na may clothing business. Sige, halika dito, James, sa gitna. Malaki ka naman.
Iiya si Binya. Sakit ano ng pantog ni Binya.
Yeah, let's respect the baka magkaroon naman ng away ang media at saka vloggers James?
Question lang, kasi di ba parang sinasabi?
In English, please.
Text na lang po.
Pwede Tagalog.
Kasi sinasabihan yung mga nasa Fashion Week na parang rumarapa lang daw and everything, na parang hindi sila talaga like kumikita doon and all. So ano yung stance mo about it? Since part of it.
I think it doesn't always boil down to kumikita. You know, I think, like what I said earlier, it's about your passion and what you enjoy doing. A lot of times the invitation from the brands, hindi yung laging hindi yung laging natatanggap. And bihira natatanggap yun. So it's an honor for me to be invited. And there's nothing wrong with Rumarampa. Kasi either with or without Fashion Week, Rampa ako. So might as well do it in Paris.
Global stage.
Iba pag Paris, di ba? Okay, one more question, then we're done.
Si Annalyn ng New York.
Annalyn!
New York Fashion Week.
It's so nice kasi si Annalyn usually mga burol ang kino-cover, di ba?
Fashion of the Christ.
Pero ngayon, iba na. Yes, Annalyn Vlogs. Annalyn. Siyempre, taga-ano rin siya, Manila Bulletin.
Hello.
Annalyn, sige na.
Naubos na yung tanong.
Annalyn, kala ko pero matalino ka. Anyways, yan, pauna ko na, syempre ang agenda is the primetime news program of Billionaire News Channel. Can be seen in Free TV, Channel 31 at marami pang platforms. Pakihintay lang po, papadala ko yung ibang detalye. Pero syempre, this afternoon, ang ingay, very touched po si Raymond. Emotional po siya, gusto niyang umiyak sa nakita na nakasama niya kayo.
Yeah, thank you guys so much. I just want to say thank you for spending time this afternoon. And I enjoyed this. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakikita yung local press natin. So maraming salamat sa support ninyo. Again, I'm very excited for this new chapter with Agenda. And more to come with BNC. So please watch out for it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, ang maganda pagkakasabi